right, let's get right to it. We're looking at Meta. Meta has been in a strong uptrend for quite a long time. Here is the all-time high. We've actually broken above that. I am adjusting my forecast to a strong upward move for Meta. Amazon is starting to try to move up a little bit. This is the high that we were trying to break above before. Managed to eke above that, but it's not a very convincing upward trend. Structures to the upside, algorithms are to the upside, and AI is showing upward pressure. The all-time high is up here around 185-ish. My forecast continues to be sideways to up for Amazon. Apple Computer. Apple's still stuck in the mud. Resistance is in this area right here. We've had some temporary algo trend to the upside, structures to the upside, but I believe that this resistance is going to hold, and if we break down below here first and then here second, I believe Apple's going to continue to go down. So forecast is sideways to down for Apple Computer. Netflix had a big breakout this week. Prior to this, it's been stuck at about this level here, the very high of this bar. It's broken above that, as you can see, pretty strongly. We have structure to the upside, algos to the upside, and AI to the upside. All-time high is way up here at 680 and change. I forecasted this to continue its upward move, maybe a little bit chop sideways here as we get to this area right here. See a little bit of resistance. Here's Google. Google has just been a strong to the upside candidate for quite a long time here. Here's the all-time high, which we just broke through this week. Structures to the upside, algos are to the upside, and AI is to the upside. I am going to be calling for a continued move to the upside on Google. Euro USD got a strong order pool up here. Prices moved up to that and then bounced off of it. Algos are still pointing up, structure still pointing up, but I think what will end up happening, we'll have to see if it breaks structure here. If it does, it'll continue to go down. I'm more inclined to think it's going to chop sideways to down than anything else. Pound dollar, really not much going on here at all. I think it's going to continue to chop sideways. USD, Japanese yen, continue to move up. Structures to the upside, algos are to the upside. All-time highs right here. If it breaks above that, could be to the moon, Alice. Dollar Chief. Dollar Chief's in a really long downtrend, but we're temporarily in a small uptrend. Algos are pointing to the upside, structures to the downside. There's a big order pull right here. We may pull all the way up to that and then bounce off of that again. Right now I'm saying sideways to upward movement for Dollar Chief. Looks like the party's over on Bitcoin. Bitcoin made it up to this previous high here, around 48,000-ish. Bounced off of that like it was a glass ceiling, and I think it's going to continue to chop sideways. Same for Ethereum, same for Litecoin. Gold, after some kind of snake oily inflation numbers, the market seems to think that everything is hunky-dory again. So gold hit this high here, bounced off of it, and started its move down. Structure is still to the upside, algos are to the downside. I'm going to just stick with sideways movement on gold for now. And pretty much the same thing for silver, sideways movement. Okay? All right, over and out from Bill. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast, What I'm going to do each morning is go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.